Introducing the new 2023 Ktm Rc 8C. Built on the success of the original 2022 model, the second-generation RC prototype boasts an evolved, more powerful LC8C engine, updated suspension, race-spec braking system and an improved electronics package, combined with a host of other tweaks and upgrades. The bike is limited to only 200 units and can only be used on race tracks. Powered by an 889cc parallel twin engine which can rev up to 12,000 rpm, making 135 horsepower and 98 Nm of torque. The completely unique air filter box with twin air filters to maximize air intake and throttle response, together with precision engine management system and a new fuel pump to meet the demands of the Ram air intake system. The lightweight full Akrapovic racing exhaust with a carbon silencer cap. The 16-liter fuel tank is integrated into the rear subframe and seat unit for weight centralization and easy drain. The bike is also equipped with a lightweight pressure-lubricated slipper clutch for improved cooling and reduced friction. And also a quick shifter plus system. The 8C uses a full factory AIMMXS 1.2 race dashboard and data logger, controlled by a 5-inch TFT display with integrated data recording and GPS functionality. The bike makes use of ultra-strong but lightweight GRP with carbon Kevlar reinforced fairings, along with winglets and swing arm scoop for high-speed stability, downforce and cooling for the rear tire. Adjustable clip-on handlebars, foot pegs and an eccentric subframe mount with adjustable seat height, while the steering head and triple clamp offset can also be tuned. The carbon fiber front fender features a quick lock system and an air scoop to channel air over the brakes and into the radiator for enhanced cooling. For suspension, the RC8C is fitted with the very best WP Pro components. In the front, fully adjustable 43mm upside-down WP Apex Pro 7545 closed cartridge fork, supported by fully adjustable WP Apex Pro 7746 shock in the rear. For braking, adjustable Brembo 19 RCS Corsa Corda radial master cylinder with 290mm dual disc with 4-piston caliper in the front and 230mm single disc with 2-piston caliper in the back. The RC8C uses lightweight Dimag UP7X forged aluminium wheels wrapped in Pirelli Diablo Superbike racing slicks. The bike has a dry weight of 142 kilograms.